welcome. This is Thiago. This is the project that you guys sent me to develop. I was assignment with the requirements of creating a user screen and then album based on the search of the user, and then the photos related based on the album ID selected, and some bonus here to put here. Present the Germany, French users into the table name. Include the units search bar for users, that is there as well. Cache content treatment is there as well, and persist data. So basically, the project that I developed, I created some screens for Sharpeny, and basically the first one goes to the user search details. It loads the users directly, but then we can type and filter them. I'm going to show you guys. And then I have the main content from the album that shows the album picture that is not showing now. It's showing a default picture, but it can be a new feature for this application. And then the album names here. And another thing that I added here to add more information about the album, even if the table related of album doesn't have that much information, it's just the title and ID. And then after you select the album here, you are going to the last screen that is going to show the photos and the thumbnail related of the photo, and is going to load the image related of the photo and the name of the photo, with the request of showing the albums here, name and so on. And then I just left the details about myself into more features about this application, and some details here just to let you know. I always create a recipe related of something, so my recipe this time is the user, and basically I have a data model for that, for the user loading part. That I am loading JSON URL that you guys request, that you guys sent me from the key requirements. Then I have the album data model that I'm going to load the album details, and then the photo data model that I'm going to load the other information about the photos. And the user will be the receipt controller that I have. The album will be the detail of that receipt, and then the photo will be the photo view controller. What else? I created a main class, a global class here, just to have a Sherpa here. To Sherpa means from Sharpeny, just to have loading the information that I need. I also added some objects, some classes related to the cache that I usually do. I copied from this guy here that's a long time ago, and I usually do for the caching of my projects. So this is not from myself. These 4 files are the only files that were not developed here. It were excuse me. They were used by for the cache content. So I'm just going to present to you guys because I'm sick these days. So let me just present to you what I did. So here you go. You have the iPad app. As you guys can see, you have a featured and more. And basically, this is my main screen showing the user details. I added the bonus feature that you guys requested for searching users. For example, Liane. I am searching only her. When I select the user, I go to another page that is going to show album or album picture when we have. I know that we don't have right now. It's just title ID for that and the user ID, but I just added his here to complete the album informations when will be new feature for this app. And if I this is the selection albums from Leanne Graham, that's the user, you can see here on the top. And if I select the album 1 from her, that is the album 1 number, it will go, I just put the message here just to make sure that the user is knowing that they are going to show photos here. Then I'm loading the photos details from this album ID 1, and showing here the album name on the top of the table, UI table view, as well as on the title of the UI table view. I am showing check photos from related of Kiden, Molestien, and Yin from this album here. So all these photos are here. And then if you search from another album, like for example this one here, you will see photos related of only this album, that is album 3. Okay, so if you go and return back and cancel, and then select another user, let's see Patricia. Where is Patricia? Patricia is here. So you will see Patricia and albums related of Patricia that are completely different than the albums from Leanne. Another example, Nicolas, completely different album names, as you can see here. Returning back to the main screen, I just added here more information about myself. If you want to see, I really want to work with you guys, so I just added some more information about myself, as you guys can see here. So I hope you guys liked my development. I am happy to start with you guys. Let me know when. Thank you.